Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix screen mirroring not working from iPhone to smart TV. So guys, if you want to connect your iPhone to your smart TV, then facing the issue that your screen mirroring is not working, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to open your settings here, and guys now you have to make sure that you have connected with strong Wi-Fi. So guys, you have to scroll it down. After this you have to click on general. Now you have to scroll down. From here you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone and click on reset. And guys, you need to reset your settings only, and now you have to go back. After this you have to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, simply you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this you have to go back. So guys, now you have to click on software update. So guys, simply you have to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, as you can see I have an update. So guys, simply you have to download and install that app, that update, and guys after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing all these methods, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to open an internet browser, and guys now from here you need to search support.apple.com. And guys now you have to click on iPhone, scroll it down, click on get support, start now. And guys after this you have to wait, scroll it below, click on more. And guys from here you have to find screen mirroring. So guys, as you can see, simply you have to scroll it below and find that. So guys, here is no any option to screen mirroring. So guys, no need to worry, you have to scroll up, and guys I'll tell you what you need to do. So guys, at the top you will see the option of accessibility. Simply you have to click on this one, and guys now you have to click on continue. Scroll it down. From here you have to call us. And guys now you have to call at these numbers, tell them your problem, and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.